Rhiannon and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing my Macbook. Let's get this started. Oh, come on. Get back to this in a moment. Okay, so inside the box we have the classic little pamphlet with all the information, and I'm gonna have to read it. They're silver. The Apple stickers are silver. Oh my god, they are pretty. Okay. USB-C to USB-C, so I can also charge my iPad with this, and then the brick. Oh my gosh. Where's the tab? Oh, I'm already ripping things off. I actually can't think of how to open this. We'll work it out. Ripping it. I failed with that. Let's get to the MacBook. Here we are. You can see the LED lights in the background. Okay. My favorite part, Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the document folder.
Sorry, I can't help you with that on Apple Watch.
Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like?
You don't have any more events today.
I was setting off my phone and watch. Oh, thank you. Okay, we have it set up. I haven't had a MacBook since the 2013 was released, so this will be interesting. Alright, so I'm gonna do a bit of playing around on the Mac, setting it up. There's change the background, do all stuff, just test it out and give it a trial run, as I haven't been on a Mac since I was in grade 10, so it's been 3, maybe 4 years since I've been on a MacBook. But I absolutely missed it. I went to Windows because of my school, and I love the editing programs that Mac offers me. Mainly I just love iMovie because it's a simple free one that I know how to use very well, and I edited a lot of my videos on my phone. Yeah, so I got the Macbook Pro 2020 M1 chip, the newer one with just 256 storage. I've been saving up for a very long time, so to be able to finally purchase it is my dream come true. So yeah, get excited for me to finally get editing more videos in like style that I like. So yeah, if you did enjoy my first video back in a very long time, subscribe, like, join, whatever's gonna happen. Who knows? I don't really have a plan, but well, that's it. I don't really know what else to say, but thank you for watching and maybe see you later. Bye!